Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Liam and Lilly, a place where learning English feels calm, natural, and fun. I'm Lilly.
Hello, everyone. I'm Liam. Happy to see you here today.
Today's topic is something almost every English learner struggles with: speaking with confidence, even when you make mistakes.
Ah, yes, that fear, that little voice in your head that says, "Don't speak. What if you say it wrong?"
Oh, that voice is loud. And honestly, if you're listening right now and you've ever felt nervous speaking English, you're not alone.
Not at all. In fact, Lily, I'd say that fear of making mistakes is probably the number one reason people don't improve their speaking skills.
Absolutely. Because here's the truth. If you don't speak, you don't grow. It's like trying to learn how to swim without ever entering the water.
That's a great analogy. Let's break that down for our listeners.
Sure. So an analogy is when you compare one thing to another to explain it better. In this case, learning English is like learning to swim.
Right. You can watch videos, read books, and listen to podcasts, but until you actually speak, you won't become confident.
Exactly. And confidence doesn't come from being perfect, it comes from practice.
Let's introduce an important phrase for today. Break the ice.
Ooh, I love that one. Break the ice means to start a conversation, especially when things feel awkward or uncomfortable.
For example, at the party, I told a joke to break the ice.
So, in English learning, you have to break the ice by speaking first, even if you're unsure.
Now let's talk about something real. Lily, have you ever made a mistake while speaking another language?
Oh, many times. Once I tried to say, "I'm full" after eating, but I accidentally said something completely wrong, and let's just say people laughed.
And did the world end?
Not at all.
Exactly. That's the point. Mistakes feel big in your head, but in reality, they're small and often even funny.
Let's teach another useful expression: shift your mindset.
Nice one. To shift your mindset means to change the way you think about something.
So instead of thinking, "I made a mistake, I'm bad at English,"
You should think, "I made a mistake, I'm learning."
that small change can make a huge difference.
Let's talk directly to our listeners for a moment.
If you're listening right now and you're afraid to speak English because you might make mistakes, we want you to know something very important.
Mistakes are not your enemy.
They are your teachers.
Every mistake shows you what to improve.
And every time you speak, even imperfectly, you become stronger.
Imagine you want to say, "He go to school yesterday."
Now, is that sentence perfect?
No, the correct version is, "He went to school yesterday."
But here's the key question. Did we understand you?
Yes, we did.
That means communication happened. That means you're already succeeding.
Here's your first confidence tip. Focus on communication, not perfection.
Let's repeat that together, everyone. Communication, not perfection.
Because language is about connecting with people, not passing an exam every time you speak.
Liam, imagine if babies waited until they could speak perfectly before talking.
We'd have a lot of silent babies.
Exactly. Babies make mistakes all the time. That's how they learn.
So why should it be different for you?
All right, listeners, here's a small challenge for you.
Today, try to speak at least one sentence in English, even if you're not sure it's correct.
You can talk to a friend, record yourself, or even speak in front of a mirror.
The goal is simple. Just speak.
Now, let's dive deeper into how to stay confident in conversations, even when you forget words or get stuck.
And trust me, that happens to everyone, even native speakers. That moment when you're speaking and suddenly your brain goes blank.
Empty. Nothing. 0 words. Just silence.
Exactly. And you start thinking, "Oh no, what do I say now?"
If that has ever happened to you, don't worry. It happens to everyone. Even native speakers sometimes forget words.
Let's introduce a very useful expression. Lose your train of thought.
This means you forget what you were saying or thinking about.
For example, sorry, I lost my train of thought.
That's a perfect sentence you can use in real conversations.
Now here's your first powerful tool, filler phrases.
Filler phrases are small expressions you use when you need time to think.
Instead of going silent, you say things like, let me think. That's a good question. How can I say this? Well,
These phrases give your brain a few seconds to catch up while you keep speaking.
and that's the key. Silence feels uncomfortable, but filler phrases keep the conversation alive.
Let's act out a quick example.
What did you do yesterday?
Let me think. Yesterday, I went to the market and I bought some food.
Perfect. Did you notice that?
Yes, I used a filler phrase, made a small mistake, corrected myself, and kept going.
That's confidence in action.
Let's teach another useful phrase. Keep the conversation going.
This means to continue talking without stopping awkwardly.
And you don't need perfect grammar to do that. You just need courage and simple strategies.
Next powerful technique, paraphrasing.
Paraphrasing means saying the same idea in a different way.
This is very helpful when you forget a word. Let's say you forget the word calculator.
Instead of stopping, you can say, "It's something you use to count numbers."
And the other person will understand you.
That's communication, not perfection.
Let's highlight the word describe.
To describe means to explain what something is like.
So when you don't know a word, you describe it.
Simple, right? Liam, what if I forget the word pizza?
Okay, try to describe it. It's round, has cheese, tomato, and makes me very happy.
Perfect description. Everyone knows you mean pizza.
And now I'm hungry.
Same here.
Okay, here's another important tip. Don't be afraid to ask for help.
Yes, you can say, "What do you call it?" How do you say, "What's the word for this?"
These are powerful phrases because they keep you engaged in the conversation.
Let's introduce "on the tip of my tongue."
This means you almost remember something, but not completely.
Example, "The word is on the tip of my tongue."
All right, listeners, let's practice together. Repeat after us.
Let me think. How can I say this? It's on the tip of my tongue.
Great job. These small phrases can completely change your confidence.
Here's your second confidence tip. Don't stop, adapt.
If you forget a word, use a filler phrase.
If you don't know a word, describe it.
If you're stuck, ask for help.
Just keep moving forward.
Let's speak honestly again.
Fluency is not about never getting stuck.
It's about knowing what to do when you get stuck.
And now you do.
Now, let's explore something deeper. How to build real confidence in your daily life so speaking English feels natural, not scary. We'll talk about habits, mindset, and simple daily actions you can start today.
Let's start with an important expression. Step out of your comfort zone.
This means doing something that feels a little scary or unfamiliar, but helps you grow.
For example, speaking English with strangers helped me step out of my comfort zone.
And honestly, if you want to speak English confidently, you must step out of that comfort zone.
Let's keep it simple. You don't need 5 hours a day.
Even 5 to 10 minutes daily can change everything.
Consistency is more powerful than intensity.
Let's explain that word, consistency.
Consistency means doing something regularly, again and again.
So instead of studying once a week for a long time, speak a little every day.
Here's an easy example. Every morning you can say,
Today I will practice my English. Then describe your plans. I will eat breakfast, go to work, and talk to my friend.
Simple sentences, no pressure. Just practice.
Now, this one might sound funny.
But it works.
Talk to yourself in English.
And no, you're not crazy.
You're training your brain.
Let's teach think out loud.
This means saying your thoughts verbally instead of keeping them in your head.
For example, I'm cooking rice now. I need water. Where is the salt?
You're practicing real-life English in real time.
Lily, do you ever talk to yourself?
All the time, especially when I'm trying to remember something.
Same here. Sometimes I even answer myself.
Okay, Liam, now that's a full conversation.
Hey, at least I'm fluent.
That's actually the goal for our listeners, too.
Now this is very important and often ignored.
Celebrate your progress.
Even small progress matters.
Let's introduce give yourself credit.
This means to recognize and appreciate your own effort.
For example, I spoke English today. I'm proud of myself.
Too many learners focus on what they can't do.
Instead, focus on what you can do.
Maybe your grammar isn't perfect.
But you tried speaking. That's a win.
Maybe you made mistakes.
But you didn't give up. That's a bigger win.
Here's another powerful habit. Immerse yourself in English.
That means making English part of your daily environment.
Let's explain immerse.
To immerse means to surround yourself completely with something.
Watch videos in English.
Listen to podcasts like this one.
Change your phone language to English.
Follow English content on social media.
So basically, live your life in English?
Exactly. But don't worry, you don't have to be perfect.
Just be present and consistent.
Here's your third confidence tip. Confidence comes from action, not waiting.
Don't wait until you feel ready.
Start now, and confidence will follow.
All right, listeners, here's your challenge for today.
Speak English for 5 minutes.
Talk to yourself about your day.
Use at least one new phrase from this episode.
And most importantly,
give yourself credit.
Now we'll show you how to stay confident in real conversations and stop being afraid of judgment.
Because that fear of what will people think is something we need to destroy.
That fear that says, what will people think if I speak and make mistakes?
This fear is powerful, but it's also misleading.
Let's introduce today's key expression. Don't be too hard on yourself.
This means don't judge yourself too harshly or expect perfection.
For example, I made a mistake, but I won't be too hard on myself.
Let's be real for a moment.
Most people are not thinking about your mistakes.
They're thinking about themselves.
Exactly. Everyone is busy worrying about their own life, their own problems.
So the idea that everyone is watching and judging you is mostly in your head.
Here's another powerful phrase. Let go of fear.
To let go means to release something, to stop holding on to it.
So when we say let go of fear, we mean stop allowing fear to control you.
Let's act out a quick situation.
Hello? I want to, ask something.
Take your time. You're doing great.
Okay, I want to ask where is the bus stop?
Good. Small correction. Where is the bus stop?
Oh, yes, thank you.
Did you notice something?
Yes, the conversation continued.
No embarrassment, no judgment, just communication and improvement.
Let's learn the word judge.
To judge means to form an opinion about someone, often quickly.
But here's the truth.
The right people won't judge you for trying.
They will respect you.
If you're learning English, you're already doing something brave.
You're stepping into a new world, a new language, a new version of yourself.
That takes courage.
So instead of feeling embarrassed,
feel proud.
Here's your final confidence tip. Progress matters more than people's opinions.
Let's say that again together.
Progress matters more than people's opinions. Here's your final challenge.
Speak English in a real situation this week.
Don't avoid it.
Don't overthink it.
Just do it.
Before we go, we want to remind you,
You don't need perfect English to start speaking,
you need courage.
and you already have it.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to
Thumbs up this video
subscribe to the channel.
and leave a comment below.
Tell us, what is one fear you will let go of starting today?
Thank you for spending time with us today on English with Liam and Lilly.
Keep practicing, keep speaking.
And remember,
Confidence comes from trying, not from being perfect. See you in the next episode.
bye everyone!